I am a true 90s girl, and this was my after school snack. It was kind of like my treat that my mom bought me, and it is no secret I am the biggest fan of Cool Ranch Doritos, and I am so excited to tell you I have mastered them to low carb ranch tortilla chips that burn fat. 4 ingredients. Let's go.
Set your oven to 350 degrees and our winner chicken dinner. Forget chicken. It is goat, baby. It is that goat cheese. That is our fat burning element in this recipe. And in so many of my recipes, we need 2 ounces of it. You see that I don't do that weird dental floss measuring that I've seen on some TikTok videos, which is quite bizarre. But you know, in last week's video and so many of my videos, I use goat cheese for a couple of reasons. Number one, that MCT. It has 2 times the MCT that cow's milk does. Why is that important? Well, gang, it keeps us fuller longer. And when we're fuller longer, we are going to lose weight because we're not going to snack. And the other good thing is that goat cheese has A2 beta casein, which, if you remember, again, that is easy digestible. We are using 2 ounces of goat cheese added to this 1.5 cups of our shredded cheddar. And y'all know where I got this at? Kroger, sometimes Walmart. It all depends because I'm bougie on a bayou. Follow me to the microwave and microwave this for 1 minute. Hot, hot, hot. That cheese is hot. That just came out the microwave. So go ahead and start to stir it. You can see that I'm using the great appliance of a regular old fork. Again, gang, this is a simple kitchen. We don't have any kind of fancy equipment. And to this, we are going to add the magic of a cup of almond flour. This is the Blue Diamond almond flour. I got it over at Sam's Club. They sell it at all of your stores. So please don't think you have to go spend a ton of money. And 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. That is going to give this that Cool Ranch Dorito flavor. Y'all, they have this stuff over at the Dollar General. So this is not a fancy ingredient. Now I'm going to have some folks who are going to say, can I use this? Go for it, baby. For the last video, someone asked if they could use pork rinds. I said, try it. They said they made it and it was amazing. So for my ketovores out there, try, experiment. This is what makes cooking so much fun. Now I've learned, because y'all commented on my last video, and I want y'all to keep commenting on these videos because I just love y'all. I love y'all. I want to hear y'all comments. You know, we are all friends here. You'll see I got the parchment paper on the ground. I got the rolling pin. Yes, indeed. Now, I still need a little help. I use the pizza cutter. I tried what y'all said, gang. How can I cut triangles? Geometry is just not my thing. So I still need a little work. Comment below with your tips that I can make some great triangles. And y'all see this old pan now. I know y'all all have an old pan. Tell me the oldest appliance in your kitchen. And hopefully it's Corningware. Who has Corningware in their house? It is absolutely divine. I am putting this on our pan with our parchment paper. We're going to cook it for 12 minutes. Yes, swooned. It is done. Oh my God, super crunchy. And if you caught the giggles and maybe didn't write something down, scroll below for that recipe. And of course, gang, if you want more low carb and laughter, great recipes to lower your blood sugar, be sure to subscribe. Much love.